Hello, ladies and gents. Welcome to our final days of our English 101 class. I'll keep this video short because I managed to dislocate my jaw over the weekend, which was fun. But happy Monday, happy last day of February. We're almost done, guys. Isn't that amazing? You are working on your final digital portfolios today. You're going to turn in that final portfolio tomorrow. And then you've got your final metacognitive reflection, and we're done, which is amazing and very exciting. The thing I most want to point out about when you submit this final portfolio is please make sure that you've enabled all the permissions. Make sure that I can see your documents as well as the portfolio as a whole. This is the most common mistake folks make, is that they don't enable the permissions, and so I'm locked out of your portfolio. If that happens, I can't grade something I can't see. So it becomes a 0 score, which is very sad because it represents a lot of work that you've done. So please make sure that you've got all of those permissions enabled. I am going to go through, you guys turn these in tomorrow. I'm going to go through Wednesday morning, check and make sure everything is copacetic, make sure I can see everything, make sure everything is accessible. If it's not accessible, I will send you an email requesting access to be granted to the portfolio and those documents. Our grading time window that we have to close out this quarter is very small as instructors. So after you receive that request from me, you will only have 24 hours to enable permissions. If you haven't made those documents accessible within 24 hours, I'm not going to be able to score them. So please, 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 this is so many pleases. Make sure that your documents are accessible because I want to read them and I want to be able to score your work because this represents so much that you've accomplished over this entire term. And there's a lot to be proud of here. You've invested in the writing process. You've really dug deep and found ways to build upon your writing, build your ideas, revise and revisit and make them strong and effective. So I'm so proud of all you've accomplished. And I want to make sure that all of those accomplishments are represented in this final portfolio. So put that together, make sure I can see it, and I'll get those scored for you. And then it's the end of the quarter. It's truly been a pleasure working with you guys. Getting to see your growth from day one till now has just been fantastic. I'm so proud of all you've accomplished, and I know you're going to continue to accomplish amazing things here at ASU and beyond. So keep up the good work through our final little window of time. I can't wait to see these portfolios. As always, reach out if you have any questions, and have a great week.